Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore hard money underwriting with LendingHome step by step clearly. To restore hard money underwriting with LendingHome, begin by logging into your LendingHome account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your current projects. Select the project you want to work on. Review the existing underwriting documents and data to identify any missing or outdated information. Gather all necessary financial documents related to the property. This includes the property's income statements, tax returns, and any outstanding liens. Ensure you have a clear understanding of the property's value by conducting a comprehensive market analysis. Use comparable properties in the area to establish an accurate valuation. Next, prepare a detailed loan request that outlines the amount you are seeking and the intended use of funds. Include a summary of the property's financial performance and its potential for appreciation. Once your documents are ready, upload them directly to the project in the LendingHome platform. Make sure each document is clearly labeled for easy identification. After uploading, double-check that all requested information is complete. Submit your updated underwriting for review within the system. Monitor the status of your submission regularly. Respond promptly to any requests for additional information from LendingHome. Be prepared to provide further clarifications if needed. Once the underwriting process is complete, review the final terms and conditions carefully. Confirm that you understand the loan's interest rates and repayment schedule. Once satisfied, proceed to accept the loan offer. Finalize any remaining paperwork to complete the process. Make a note of important deadlines for payments and obligations moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.